Coach Mel here. So we're finally back at it. Had to take a couple of weeks off just because we had a super duper busy weekend. So the plan today is to get some of the stuff out of here that we're going to be keeping, and then we will finish taking apart this side. Also going to be taking these cabinets out and getting the rest of the flooring up. So we are getting ourselves ready to finish the demo, and then we've got to assess and see what's going to be next. Oh yeah, and can you see my headband? Yep, it's the bubble trailer. And I'm doing a little running challenge. I gotta run 58 miles, and then they're gonna send me a medal that looks like this camper. That's why I did it. I'm only about 11 miles in, so I got a long ways to go. But let's get going on this camper rental for today. Let's get some more destruction done and figure out where we go from there. See you soon. got that whole front section taken out. Definitely found some more bad news. This whole upper piece up here, rotten, falling apart. We also found a lot of ants in a couple different places. Working on scraping up the floor. More ants were over here. We just sprayed with, I'm not sure what it was. I'll be honest with you. Darren got in his head that we needed to spray something, so he sprayed. Hey there, just came back out to see how things are going. My battery died yesterday, but I was talking about spraying. So we had found ants when we took this wall off over here and over here. So that stuff that Darren was spraying looks like it made them go away, which is good. That was also a spray for mildew, and it's called Odor Ban. It's helped with the odor, which obviously you guys can't tell, but boy, it smells a lot better in here. So just quickly, I'm gonna go outside. We didn't get to work on it today. There's all our scraps. But Darren needed to feel some accomplishment. So we have a nice, shiny, repainted tongue of our hitch here. Just wanted to feel like there was something being accomplished. It looks really nice, actually. It's a little bit of the cart before the horse, but that's okay. And then he decided today, and oh, well, not too much cleaner, but he sprayed, I think, the back, cleaned it off. Yeah, just a little bit. Not much. So again, not a ton of work done this week. Oh, look at that color. I can't wait to paint it and get it back to that color. We are gonna strip all the paint off and redo it all together. But it's just so darn cute. Can't wait to get more work done on it. We'll be back at it again next week. All right, see you soon.